what is this right here?
2022 Dawn Rolls Royce.
Oh.
I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. Sure enough, I'm down here to buy some Forgiatos. Hey man, Coast to Coast got the rims for you, bro. I got a 73 Dunk, so I'm down here trying to spend a little bit of money, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, if you get a chance, shit, we come on in, I can show y'all what I'm about to grab real quick. So this is what I just cop right here, man. They're going on that Dunk, 77 tray, convertible. And I flew all the way down here to Florida, man, to come and get these wheels from the right spot, man, coast to coast. You know what I'm saying? And that's crazy. This car matched the same as my Dunk. You know what I mean?
Let's see what they look like on there, man. Just light it up.
Man, that shit probably crazy. That shit would be crazy.
So how'd you pick this wheel out?
I ain't gonna lie, man. I love gold. So once I seen the gold, once he showed me the pictures of it, I was like, I gotta have it, man. Ain't nothing like gold on no cars, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially with purple. You know, so, you know, they gonna stick out like a sore thumb when it's time to ride. You know what I mean? Hey, and then that's the steering wheel. I got the steering wheel over here too, y'all. You know what I mean? You gotta have the whole complete set. You feel me? So we gonna go up to the city of Cleveland, Ohio, and act a fool a little bit. You know what I mean?
What do people think up there, man, when you go riding around in a Dunk?
Well, I tell you what, you know, we got them up there now. Don't get it twisted. We got some Dunks, but you know, Florida is known for them. So we trying to get our city all the way known for the Dunks because we love them just as much. You know what I mean? We got some cars up there worth some real money too. You know what I mean? So, you know, to come here to get the real authentic stuff, it feels good. You know what I mean? So I had to make sure I had to come to the city and get the right shit, you know?
And how was your experience with Coast to Coast, man? How did they treat you, man?
It was good, man. It was good. From the first time I called, sent the deposit, you know, it wasn't no bullshit. Excuse my language, y'all.
No, that's all right, man.
But you know, but it was no BS. Everything was in and out. Sent the deposit, got here, cashed them out, and we rolled. You know what I'm saying? So we about to have some fun up there in the city this year for sure.
How happy are you with the purchase, man?
Oh, very happy. Very, very happy. You know what I'm saying? Very happy. You know, I recommend all my people up in the city to come down here. You know, if you could get the car shipped down here, would be good too. You know, because they can, you know, fit the wheels to make them fit. So luckily, my car was already cut out for this style and size of tires. So I ain't gonna have no issue with the tires when I put them on. Yeah, but I'm happy though. You know, Jeremy, you know, they always took care of me. So. And shout out to my dude Dunk Planet, you know what I'm saying? He the one who first turned me on, and now I got my dude Lance with me now. So when I come back down this year, I'm hoping to see him for 7 trade day and all that good stuff, you know?
Well, we hope to see you, man. It's a pleasure you coming down, and
sure, bro.
We can't wait to see what you bring to the table.
Oh man, boy, y'all gonna think I live around the corner when you see this car when it come around.